More than 600 refugees live in Murcia in southeast Spain. According to regional authorities, 3/4 of those are of working age. This is the case for Bugari. Originally from Mali, he first arrived in the Canary Islands by boat. After moving to Murcia, he heard about an initiative that helps refugees find work and integrate into society. The scheme sees NGOs work directly with Spain's employment and training service. Each refugee has a single point of contact.
She was the one who helped us to get on the training courses. I did some training in masonry, commerce and tiling.
Advisors from Spain's Employment and Training Service, called CEF, assess the refugees' skills and employability to create a tailor-made training plan.
Our mission is to help them, especially in the first 6 months when they cannot work. We offer them a training course that doesn't require study. Or, if they have university degrees, they can do a certification course to enter the labour market.
The total budget of the project is just over €157,000. 25% of that came from the European Social Fund. The region of Murcia and the Spanish government provided the rest. Around 650 people are said to have already benefited from the scheme. The initiative also sees Spain's Employment and Training Service provide advice and support to companies that hire refugees.
After we hired him, they called us from the CEF. In the end, I decided to hire him just a week after I met him, and today he's been with us for 3 or 4 months, and we decided to give him a permanent contract.
The initiative, which works with 4 NGOs, including the Red Cross, helps with housing, training and bureaucracy. On average, it can take 6 months to get proper legal documentation. Jose Luis's family fled Colombia.
We left the country because of countless threats. Do I have any hopes or aspirations? Many. I want to study, and I'm already doing so thanks to the CEF. What you want most as a parent is to give your children a future, and here I know you can.